Today, I'm going to talk about logic gate first. The definition for a logic gate is a digital circuit that performs a specific logical operation on one or more input variable or signal and generates an output signal. The input and output of logic gates are 1 or 0. These also represent two digital logic states, true or false, on, off, high or low. Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is a branch of mathematics that deal with logical operation on binary variable. Binary variable are represented by letter and can either hold 0 or 1 value. Value 1 represent true and value 0 represent false. Now let's talk about AND gate. AND gate. The AND gate has two or more inputs. The output is 1 if only if all inputs are 1, otherwise the output is 0. Both A and B must be true for the result to be true. I will give you the real-world example of AND gate. For example, car starting system. A modern car may require brake pedal and start button. Only when both are true will the engine start. Next, we're going to talk about OR gate or the OR gate. The OR gate has two or more inputs. The output is 1 if at least one of the input is 1. Otherwise, the output is 0. If any input is true, 1, the output will be true, 1. Here are the real world example of OR gate. For example, free shipping. An online grocery store offers a free shipping if you spend more than 100 or have a membership. Meeting either condition qualify for free shipping. Next, we're going to talk about the NOT gate or the NOT gate. The NOT gate has only one input. The output is 1 if input is 0 and 0 if the input is 1. The NOT gate is also known as an inverter. Here are the example for real-world example of NOT gate. Refrigerator, door alarm. The input A is the door will close and the output will be the alarm sound on. The alarm sound only when the door is not closed. Next, we will be talk about the NAND gate. The NAND gate is the combination of AND and the. Here are the world example of NAND gate. Warning light. A warning light remains on until both requirements are met. Next, we are going to talk about the NOR gate. The NOR gate is the combination of an OR gate followed by a NOT gate. The output is the opposite of an OR gate. Next, we're going to talk about the XOR gate. The XOR gate is the combination of NOT and OR gates. The XOR gate is pronounced as exclusive OR gate. The output of the XOR gate is true if an odd number of the inputs are true, or we say 1. That's all from me. Thank you.